Instead of pushing Bitcoin holders out of their country, I think in the future governments will treat them very well. On the other hand, with stocks and real estate, governments can treat investors worse over time because there's almost no way out unless you go through a regulated financial institution. What do you think will happen if the US government has to borrow in a different currency? Its power to borrow USD and do whatever it wants will be gone when, not if, the US dollar loses its status as world reserve currency. This is when I think anyone with unrealized capital gains in the legacy financial system gets wrecked. You can never own real estate because you will always pay property taxes. If your government increases the property tax, what are you going to do about it? The market price will likely be forced down as fewer buyers want to hold a property just to pay 3 to 5% in property taxes each year. You might be able to sell your property, but I think capital gains tax laws would be next. Anything you've saved in real estate will likely be devalued significantly. What happens if CG taxes go from 20% to 50+%? Since Bitcoin is a permissionless network, its users are free to move their wealth across borders as they please. You can't pick up a rental property and move it to another country. You can't send your stocks somewhere else unless you go through a financial institution that serves as a custodian. If governments try to implement a property tax on Bitcoin and you have self-custody, you can send it to another jurisdiction within minutes. If you don't have the keys to the address in the other jurisdiction, there's nothing your government can do to get that BTC back.